but over here at the BJP headquarters in the national capital, what I saw during the Haryana election results, it was jalebis that was prepared, but today it's of course jalebis right here, but along with jalebis there are also these sattu ka paratha and chokha being prepared. This is a famous food that is now being prepared at the BJP national headquarters here in the national capital, and it's all being prepared to distribute it to the Karyakartas. Of course, last night when I spoke to some of the senior BJP leaders, there's no message that has been conveyed to the BJP workers to celebrate up early in the morning, but perhaps if the Karyakartas comes in large numbers, then of course today they will get sattu ka paratha, chokha along with jalebis, which is being prepared over here. As far as the Bharatiya Janata Party is concerned, they believe that they will be number one political party in the Bihar elections, and therefore the reason perhaps there will be celebrations, Karyakartas can come up large in the numbers, but because of the Delhi blast that took place, not much of celebrations is likely to take place over here, as being told, because of all of what has happened and transpired. But the BJP believes that it is the NDA which will be number one, and will be emerging victorious, and Bharatiya Janata Party will be number one political party. So as you can see on the screens, it's delicious litti chokha, sattu ka paratha and jalebi being prepared at a massive level as far as the Karyakartas who will be coming later in the day.